Good morning, ma'am. Morning,
Hi.
ma'am. Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Why Milan is wearing a cap at home?
Ma'am, so I changed my headphones now.
You change your hairstyle.
Yeah. This time I'm putting cap now. Is that fine with you? Is it? If it's not, I
That's
will
fine.
remove
Fine. No worries.
other things. And
And you have
I
assembly today.
also kind of changed my the headphones because that one. All right, let's go assembly.
Those who
Okay.
have practiced.
So who
What, Milan? You are
who
getting stuck,
did
Milan.
what, ma'am? Ma'am, I'm finished with my presentation. Ma'am,
Yes.
1 second.
We can start with Milan then. Lazel, that we'll see in the next class, okay? After the assembly is over.
Alright, ma'am, am I okay now? Ma'am,
Making this one.
ma'am, am
That
I
we'll
okay
see
now?
after assembly is over, okay, Lazel?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
am I okay
forgot
now?
the poem because I was making
Ma'am,
this one.
Lazel, regarding that, we'll discuss after assembly. And who is ready for the assembly? Those everyone has got task. Those who are not doing it, they will get a black star. Those who are doing it, they will get a golden star right in front of you.
ma'am, I already named myself, but I already did, but what was that name again? I forgot. I already did, but what was that name again?
I don't know what you have done. That is your responsibility to remember.
Let me check.
Yes, Helena, you can go first since you are done, right?
There's a hungry little fox. He saw juicy grapes hanging on the high up. He, he couldn't reach. He started jumping and he gave it up and walked away and said, I'm sure the grapes are sour anyways. The moral of the story is never give up.
What's the moral of the story?
Never give up.
Never give up. Good job. That's nice. Okay. So let me give the star to Helena. That was nice. Here, the moral of the story is you are given a work and you did the work. Good job. Yay. Who else is ready? Anyone else? Who wants to go? Laisel, no. Milan, no. So I guess I'll have to put a black star
I
there.
forgot the logic because I was making the bee
That's
going to
not an
be.
excuse. You forgot, right? So
Next time when I get a golden star, I'm going to tell ma'am you remove a black star because I'm having no black star on my list at all.
black star. Let's search for black star.
Ma'am, what is that? Stock and web.
That's how you get images.
Oh, ma'am, can we put that one? Yeah, that one, the first one.
No, I want a normal star.
Oh.
Where is star? We don't have any normal stars.
I saw it. I saw that star, the black star.
Ma'am, before we had one black star, right?
Yes. Okay.
Where is that one? Oh, that one.
This one. Ma'am, I don't want the black star.
Even I don't want to give you the black star, but since you didn't do your task, that is how it is.
I know what my plan is. Get lots of golden stars and last, remove the black star.
Amila didn't join, so I cannot give her golden or black. If she joins,
Give black because she is late.
no, for being late, for not coming. Amila, you are late for a past
Yes,
few
sir.
days. You
Be
have
on
not come for
time.
assembly. I cannot give you attendance for assembly.
Ma'am, can we Okay, ma'am.
No, assembly
I
time.
was.
Amila, listen. Assembly time, you know the assembly time. You cannot come in late.
Ma'am, I was in the madrasa, so
So, as a consequence of being late, I'm not gonna give you attendance. You're 7 minutes late. We just have 3 minutes left for assembly. Did you prepare your task?
yeah, only half I did. So let me present tomorrow.
Milan and Lazel will be so happy. You can definitely present tomorrow. That is not a
Ma'am,
problem.
she's lying. She didn't made it, and she said
No,
no.
I am gonna give a black star.
Yeah, give black. Yes.
So three of you got black star today, and one person got a golden star.
Still, I got everybody, like almost everybody got same stars.
No, Helena has 4 golden. You
I
guys
have
have.
4.
So right
I
now,
think
Helena is leading.
no, I am.
You have 4 golden and 1 black. She has 4
Yeah,
golden, no black.
I got remove the black.
Milan, you are leading at one time. So yes. And now let's see a project laser.
This one?
Remove the background. Amila, please turn on the camera. Does that look like a pollination model, Milan? Sorry, laser.
Yeah.
No, it
There is
doesn't.
something missing. I mean, there is something missing. Like there should be like a connecting thing sticking on the bee, and there should be like
But I don't know how to make it fly.
You can use a thread or a wire.
yeah, and stick it on like
I
a
got to
platform.
make this.
And where is the labeling? Amila, are you turning on the camera?
What do you mean?
You have to label Hazel.
Amila, do you want to get another black star?
She said yes.
She said yes or you said yes?
No. He said yes.
Sorry, Milan, where is your model Lazel? It's not good enough. Take
I
help
dropped
of
it.
Bayan and make a proper model. He knows how to make a model. He will help you out.
He don't know how to make it.
Ask Bayan for help.
He only know drawing. He don't know that much craft.
It's not about craft.
Yeah, Hazel.
This is not craft work. This is a science model.
Sci-
Milan, where
Science
is your
model.
model?
Um,
And Amina, where is your model?
Ma'am, I didn't make it. I only made 2 flowers.
That you did in class. You
Yeah.
said rest you will do from home. When is the deadline for that, people? Check the deadline.
May 6th.
May 6th.
Yeah.
Lucky you guys have time, huh? Is it May 6th? I don't think it is May 6th.
I saw it is May 6th.
yeah.
May 6th, you will have your, most probably you will have to submit it, and Viva presentation, everything will be there. Give you time till next Monday. All of your English, math, and science part should be there. Okay? Helena,
Yeah.
did you submit your English part?
Yes.
What about math part?
No.
What about Lazel, Milan, and Amila English part?
English part? Which one, ma'am? I like it.
Project In math, science. Science is the pollination model. English, you
Yeah.
have to write about the journey of that honeybee between flowers using adverbs and prepositions. I taught you what is
Okay.
adverbs and yesterday I told you what is prepositions.
Is it the last date today?
No, last date is not today. But why we are waiting for the last date? We'll forget by that time. Something will happen. So let's
5
try to
o'clock
do the
today,
work
ma'am.
early.
5 o'clock today.
Let's not wait for the last date, okay?